The Instant Vortex Plus 4QT air fryer is a compact multifunctional appliance that elevates cooking through its 6-in-1 capabilities. Air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. Designed with a sleek stainless steel exterior, this air fryer not only enhances kitchen aesthetics but also ensures durability and easy cleaning. Its 3.79-liter 4-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium households, handling snacks, side dishes, and single-serve meals efficiently without occupying excessive counter space. Equipped with 1600 watts of power, this air fryer heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, achieving crispy golden textures with minimal to no oil, making it a healthier option than traditional frying. The rapid preheat function further streamlines meal preparation, saving time without compromising on taste. Additionally, the user-friendly digital interface offers intuitive controls, including customizable cooking settings for personalizing temperatures and cooking times. The appliance's custom program options let you save preferred settings, ideal for individuals who enjoy consistency in their favorite dishes. Safety is built into the design, with overheat protection and an automatic shut-off feature to prevent overheating or overcooking. These precautions allow for peace of mind, especially in busy households where distractions may arise during cooking. The dehydrating feature adds another layer of versatility, enabling users to create homemade dried fruits, veggie chips, and jerky, perfect for snack enthusiasts or those with dietary restrictions. Baking and broiling functions offer flexibility by delivering oven-quality results for smaller batches of cookies, muffins, or gratins, without the need for a full-sized oven. Cleaning is simple, as the non-stick basket and tray are both removable and dishwasher safe, making post-cooking maintenance hassle-free. For hand washing, a quick rinse in warm soapy water is usually sufficient, while the stainless steel exterior can be wiped down easily to maintain its stylish appearance. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.